The Red Sox trying to sweep their brief two-game series with the Giants. What a game it would be for Hanley Ramirez. In the second, Ramirez goes yard off Matt Cain. Mac Williamson flips over the wall trying to make the play. The Red Sox go up 2-0. Now 3-0 in the third. Ramirez again, his first multi-homer game of the season. 5-0 Boston. Now 8-3 in the fourth. Drew Pomeranz struggling in his Red Sox debut. Gives up a two-run homer to Trevor Brown. Now 8-5 bottom half of the fourth. Ramirez gets drilled by Albert Suarez. Ramirez doesn't like it. 8-7 in the sixth. Bases loaded, nobody out. Matt Barnes facing pinch hitter Gregor Blanco. Ramirez goes home. It's a double play. The Giants' challenge call stands. Next batter, Connor Gillespie pops out to Ramirez. He's fired up, and he would be even more jacked up because in the bottom of the sixth, another two-run homer off Suarez. 10-7 Red Sox, third homer of the game for Ramirez. They go on to win it 11-7. Boston has now won 8 of 9. A career-high 3 homers and 6 RBIs for Ramirez. Up next, the Red Sox host the Twins Thursday, and the Giants are in New York to face the Yanks.